Oh man, that vitamin D good today. Been real good. This is gonna be the first video of many of me putting back together my original car I got in high school. What up, bro? In 2010, I got a 2.5 RS coupe. 2001, me and my dad went down to Pennsylvania and picked it up in Allentown. And it was automatic. I drove it like that for a little while. I met a good friend of mine. We did a 5-speed conversion on it. And then we ended up putting a WRX 2003, I believe, EJ205 in it. Then I had it painted. And I had it real nice and pretty. And I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it in that condition for maybe 3 months. So from 2010 to all the way from 2013 to the very end when I had it in the best condition it was. And for that 3 months, and then I blew it up racing in Evo, which I did win, but then it started knocking after. That was a whole ordeal that night. But anyways, it's been sitting ever since then in 2013. Now it's 2024. So it moved from sitting at my parents' house to then my shop here. We came here in 2014, and it kind of moved around from 2014 until 15 or so when we actually got this container. And it's been in this container ever since then, stripped. Had all these outlandish plans for it that kind of changed throughout the years. And I finally settled and decided on what I actually want to do to it. You can ask all my friends and they'll tell you that I've had everything to put this car back together probably 10 times over, but I always end up getting rid of it. This time I decided to commit and keep it all. So now I have pretty much everything to put it back together. And I told myself that I would make videos of putting it back together. So here we are. I need a haircut, but never mind that. So yeah, I'm about to show you the car. And I just realized I can't flip this because I already started recording. So that's cool. This is the car. This is the car. Yeah, it was originally Blue Ridge Pearl. I had it repainted that same color. I put the JDM STI decals on the trunk and the side you can't see right now. But yeah, the goal for today is I want to get all this shit out of the way. And my neighbor is actually a painter. He's going to kind of look at the car for me and give me his opinion on what we can do to fix the rust. It doesn't have very much, but it does have some. And for anyone that knows these cars, it can tell you that they are getting few and far between to kind of get good examples of them these days. And this one, I kept it because I knew it was going to be worth saving, and it was sentimental to me. I didn't want to get rid of it. I've had RS coupes since this one, but I always wanted to come back to this car because it was special to me, and I want to put it back together because I always said that I was going to. So I'm here to follow through with that finally. But I'm not perfect. I'm just doing this because I do love it. So I hope that you'll enjoy this journey with me. And yeah, sorry for the long-winded post, but that's it.
Hey, 5 a.m. in the parking lot. 4 black trucks taking parking spots. She reached in my best to see I'm soft or not. I'm hard